Unboxing of the Nikon Coolpix L100. This is what the box looks like. This is the front. This is the back. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Let's see. I don't even know how to open the seal. Ouch, how do I do this? Okay, there we go. So what is this? This is the limited warranty, the quick start guide. So I don't know what's in here, just basically pictures. The Spanish quick start guide. This is, I guess, an ad for a website to store pictures. This is pretty self-explanatory. And the software. The user's manual, which is pretty thick. Spanish version. Okay. Now we're actually going to look at the product itself. This is the thing. It comes with batteries. So there's 4 of them. I think this is the camera itself. I'll save that for later. I got the cable to upload the pictures, the lens cap, the wire to, I don't know what that is, for the video. Okay, and then that's it, there's nothing else there. Okay, and now let's look at the product itself. There you go. This is the back, the top, and the bottom. So it's pretty good. It feels good in my hands. It looks pretty cool. And I can't wait to use it.
Okay, done.